Hi foodies, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something warm and comforting, the kind of food you want to have when the weather is cold, or if you're just looking for comfort food, this is it. And that is turkey pepper soup. This dish is packed with bold flavors and is spicy. It's just perfect for cold weather. Let's get right into it. First, I'll place my fresh turkey into a pot. Then, I'm going to roughly chop these Scotch bonnet and white onion and some green onion as well. All of that, I'm going to chop that and it goes straight into the pot. Next, I'll season that with some seasoning cubes and salt. Mix everything together, cover and let it steam for about 15 minutes. So when it's steaming, the steaming helps the turkey to release its natural juice and the turkey soaks up all the flavor. So you want to leave it to steam for a while. So while that is steaming, let's prep out some spice mix. So I have here Calabash nutmeg, that is ehuru and ehuru. I'll be roasting them because once you roast this, it kind of brings out the flavor and the aroma, okay? So roast that, and once it's nicely toasted, I'll blend them with some crayfish, onion, red bell pepper, Uziza seed, and a bit of water so that I could create a smooth and flavorful paste. Now back to the turkey. It's looking so good already. I'll add some water and going to pour the blended spice mix. Give it a good stir, cover, and let this cook for about 20 minutes so everything infuses beautifully. And after 20 minutes, I'll be adding some scent leaf so that I could have that signature pepper soup aroma. You know, what is pepper soup without scent leaf? Although the scent leaf I have is frozen, but it is better than having nothing. So yeah, add some scent leaf and cover that up for about 5 minutes. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes so that all the flavors will blend in. And time to prepare the yam. So I'll peel that yam, dice it, and then set it aside while the turkey is also cooking. Once the turkey is almost tender, I'll go ahead and add the yam. Let that cook for about 15 minutes or until the yam is soft. So you just have to be checking to know when the yam is soft. And at this stage, you can taste. You can adjust your seasoning if you need more of it. You can add your pepper, you can add your salt, whatever you want to add to your food. And just like that, our turkey pepper soup is ready. And look at this rich, flavorful, and absolutely warming food. I'll always have pepper soup anytime, any day. Whether it's goat pepper soup, cow meat, turkey, chicken. I love pepper soup. I just love the hot and spicy nature of it. I love it. And look at that. The turkey is tender. The broth is spicy and aromatic. And the yam, you can see that the yam has soaked up all that deliciousness. So it is so soft. I like it. And let's take a bite and see how it tastes. Oh wow, this is so good. This is just what I imagined it to be, and it tastes so good. It's perfect for chilly days, and when you need something comforting, it has to be pepper soup. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you in my next video. Bye.